Hey guys, what's up? This is Vignesh here, your host from AV Focus India. In our last video, we showed you a detailed walkthrough of the Ampere Zeal. We discussed about the colors it came in, its features, warranty, and also its service schedules. Today, we have a product again from Ampere, which they claim to be an upgrade over the Rio Li called the Zeal. They claim to give it a bigger battery, better mileage, and a powerful motor. So, without any further ado, let's check as to how much of an upgrade the Zeal is and if it's worth your investment. The Ampere Zeal comes in 4 colors: glossy blue and white, glossy white, glossy black, and matte red black. All the colors are really good, and I personally think that the glossy blue and white will be the ladies' favorite. The stickers are not as bad as the Rio Li, and I think we can still definitely live with it. Before we start the walkthrough, the vehicle specifications are on your screen. The Ampere Zeal comes with a powerful 1200 watts BLDC hub motor with a peak power of 2100 watts in its high mode. It has a rated torque of 17.8 Newton meters with a rated 21 amps output. The Ampere Zeal comes with a top speed of 55 km per hour and requires to be insured and registered. The user is also required to have a driving license. The Zeal comes with a 60 volts 30Ah a 1.8 kilowatt removable lithium ion battery, which is air cooled. It takes about 5 hours to fully charge and one can expect a 70 to 75 km range per charge. The company claims that this battery has a 100% depth of discharge, and that's truly impressive. Okay, today we have with us this matte red black color variant, and to start from its front handlebar, just like the Rio Li, we get the single indicator unit with halogen lights, and the handlebar cover gets a single tone paint job. As we come down, we get a two-tone paint scheme with striking red and black combination for the front apron. The headlight is a single piece unit with LED DRLs that are super bright even during the day, with a single halogen light for both high and low beam. As we get to the front wheel fork assembly, the vehicle has a telescopic suspension with Zeal badging. The tires are 10-inch tubeless from TVS, bound on steel mag wheels. The Zeal gets a harmonized braking system, aka combi braking system, just like in Honda Activa. It's a drum unit with a 130 mm front panel and 120 for the rear. This is the first time we have ever come across a CBS in an electric vehicle, and that's impressive. Coming to the left side of the vehicle, we have a monotone red color side rail. There is ample space in the front and the rider will have a comfortable position. The seats are an upgrade from the Rio Li that are better contoured and well cushioned. Below the seat, we also get this port to charge the vehicle, which is covered with a cap securing it from rain and other water exposures. As we get to the second half of the vehicle, the Zeal gets the same set of pillion and ladies footrest just like in the Rio Li. These again are just as comfortable and the pillion will have no issues with it. As we get to the rear side of the vehicle, we can see the wraparound single piece tail light with halogen lights. On the other side of the vehicle, we can see the hub mount BLDC motor with alloyish design and tubeless tires. And this is coupled with dual spring coil suspensions. The battery compartment looks bigger due to the bigger battery, but is also well executed from the outside. As we approach the front dash, the vehicle gets an all-in-one key fob, but a really sturdy one. You can switch on the vehicle, switch off, side lock, and even open the boot. The mechanical key is coupled with an interesting remote control. It has an anti-theft lock which locks your rear wheel. Unlock, find your vehicle from a distance and also keylessly start the vehicle. On the downside, the remote can't lock the handlebar and can be used in combination with the mechanical key. Also, the remote wouldn't work if the MCB is switched off. So, a bit of caution here. Coming up to the instrument cluster, it's a better sorted one, unlike the Rio Li. It shows the speed, the odor reading, and the battery associated with voltage meter. It seems fairly easy to read. Also, according to the company, when the battery is at 100% charge, the voltage is 66 volts. When it's 0%, it's 53 volts. and they advise you to charge the vehicle at 50 to 55 volts. But we still insist a simple percentage indicator would have more convenient. The cluster is a self-diagnostic one too, which means in case the vehicle stalls, there will be an indication as to which component has failed and becomes really easy to identify and resolve the issue. Kudos to Ampere for keeping this feature in the Zeal too. There is sufficient space in the boot to either store your knickknacks or your charger or even a half-face helmet. A point to note is that the Ampere Zeal's boot isn't a sacrifice compared to the rear light due to the bigger battery. And their team has done a superb job by doing a clever redesign of the frame. I wish you guys check it out in person, it's just smart. The battery is supported by a clamp with a wing screw, just to make sure the battery doesn't jump while you drive. The battery again is removable and is still a fantastic solution if you don't have a charging point in your parking area or if you live in a high-rise apartment. This also happens to be the best feature of the vehicle. The removable process is also easy. And now we get to the warranty terms of the Ampere Zeal. This model comes with a 36 months default warranty for the battery, motor, charger, controller and the converter. You can also offer an extended warranty for about Rs 2500 which covers the battery, the motor, charger, controller and the converter for 60 months or a whopping 40,000 kilometers. That's a big warranty for an electric two-wheeler. The company advises to service the vehicle for every 2000 kilometers or 3 months once. You see, with the Rio Li, Ampere was majorly aiming towards the customers without a DL or who wanted a secondary vehicle. But with the Zeal, the message is very clear that they want a share among the big ICE players. They gave the Zeal a bigger battery that can go up to 70 km per charge and a stronger 1200 watt motor that can top at 55 km speed. And both made it to an energy efficient 60 volts working, requiring just 5 hours for a full charge. This is going to be their selling point for sure. Do let us know your views on the Ampere Zeal, if you think if it's a worthy ICE competitor or you guys expect more. If you wish us to make a video to test its real-time range, kilometers it can cover per hour, then do let us know in the comment sections below. We hope that you liked our video and kindly please subscribe, like and share. Until then, it's your host Vignesh from EV Focus India. Jai Hind.